Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am Prakash from AceFoxLeo channel. Today I am going to talk about new tech upgrade for the new YouTubers like me that they should consider buy this one to the next level upgrade support for the video content they create. Today I am going to talk about audio upgrade to the video. Today I have lavalier microphone clip-on. This is the lavalier microphone noise reduction. It also a clip-on microphone, so you can clip on your shirt and do vlogging or video content like I'm creating now. So it is a useful gadget for new YouTubers like me to increase their audio quality to the next level. This microphone comes with wire length of 1.5 meters of length, and the material they are used for this microphone are TPE cover. As they inform, it is omnidirectional microphone, high fidelity microphone head and 360-degree surround radio with the sound quality is true and clear. This lavalier microphone also good for voice and anti-interference with noise reduction. So I am going to test this audio quality with lavalier clip-on microphone. Is it a better choice or not? I'm going to discuss with you guys. Okay guys, this is a sound check video from my onboard microphone that I'm currently using right now. I'm using my iPhone XS for recording this video, and I'm using audio with built-in with my phone. So let's unbox this lavalier microphone and we check the sound quality, how it sounds. Okay, now I'm using this lavalier microphone over here to check this audio quality level. If you guys see the difference of the audio quality, please let me know in the comment section below. I will appreciate this and I will reply every single comment that you all leave in my comment section. Okay guys, we are end of our video right now. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel AceFoxLeo for more future videos. See you all in my next video. Until then, peace out. Bye.